what is a vocal fry and how can you use it when you sing? And how can you do it in a way that doesn't hurt your voice? Well, in this video, I will answer those questions and I will show you how to sing with a vocal fry. Hi, I'm Vanessa E, vocal coach and singer-songwriter with You Can Sing Too. And I believe great singers are not born, they're made, and that's why I'm passionate to help you reach your singing goals. I've coached hundreds of singers and I am a singer myself, so I want to uncomplicate great vocal technique and teach you simple yet effective tools that really get results so you can sing with more confidence, freedom, power, and range. So if you like this video, make sure to click like and please hit that subscribe button because I want to be able to help as many singers like you as I can. I also have a free singing goodie for you to help you sing better, so make sure you stay tuned to learn about that. All right, let's get started. What is a vocal fry? Okay. A vocal fry is a sound that can be described as more of like a rough or a gravelly sound in the lower part of your voice. This happens by vibrating the vocal cords slowly, which I'll show you how to do in this video. So why would you use it? Well, you use it for style. Maybe you want that more rough or gravelly sound on a song, or you want to use it for certain emotions or expressions on certain words or phrases. Genres that can use it are pop, rock, country, and metal, and even some rap. So let's talk about how to sing with a vocal fry. Okay, so I'm going to show you what a vocal fry is, and you can practice along with me. It's really just gently rubbing the vocal cords together, like I said, in the lower part of your voice. So just like this. So it is croaky sounding, right? Kind of froggy sounding. Okay, you don't want to force it or use a loud volume because that is not going to be good for the vocal cords and can cause vocal damage. So just nice and easy. Okay, so how you're going to do this without hurting your voice, just what I said, we don't want to force anything. We want to keep it low, okay, because the cords can vibrate easier. They can get that sound and rub together easier in the lower part of your register. Okay, so you want to keep it low. Use a comfortable volume, like I mentioned. Avoid using too much air pressure. So if you use too much air pressure, like in there, you're going to blow that air between the cords, and that's not really good for the vocal cords themselves. And also, it's not giving you that much of that gravelly or rough sound that you're looking for. So just and you want to pay attention to how it feels, how your voice feels. So if it doesn't feel good, then you're probably not doing it correctly. It should just feel nice and easy like this. Okay, no big deal. It doesn't hurt my voice. It doesn't, feel strained or anything like that. Okay, so let me show you how you would use this in a song. And there's different ways to do it. So one is you can kind of use it like in the beginning of a line, just it kind of gives you that relaxed or like a gritty sound, So I came into it and then let go of it. If you want to stay into it, I came into it and held it a little bit longer that time, but not stayed in it fully. If you want to stay in it fully, it's going to be easier the lower you are. If you notice, if I start, it's harder to maintain because I'm not as low in my register. So if you want to maintain it, low, okay? So if you want to accent a word, maybe you're just, no, you're just kind of using it for, that low, kind of a little bit gritty, or if you want to sing it more straight, like I kind of did a little vocal run, no, no. So I showed you a couple different ways. One had a little vibrato, one was just straight. So you can just play around with it, see what you like. And you can use it in parts of a song. So maybe use it in the whole verse. Maybe the verse is just like, no. You know, I mean, obviously it has words, but I'm just showing you, you know, again, lower part of your voice, because as you go higher, you're not going to be able to maintain the fry, okay? And that can get put strain on your vocal cords. You can also use it on a whole song if you want, just don't force it. And obviously, like I said, it's going to have to be a song that isn't going to really be moving up, you know, so much in the scale, because like I said, you want to keep it low. So even if I want to talk in a vocal fry, notice how I'm doing that. You can, you know, use that in certain parts of songs or speaking parts as well. All right. So just remember that it should feel good. Keep it low. Use it for style. And in general, you don't want to overuse it, because you don't want it to become a habit where you're always in the vocal fry and you don't know how to like get out of it. Okay, so my recommendation is to use it for a cool sound, for style, dynamics, and you know, like I said, just still use it all the time. You know, there's debate in the vocal community. Is it healthy? Is it not healthy? It can be healthy as long as you do it correctly and you don't overuse it. All right, so I really hope this helps clear that up, show you how to use a vocal fry so that you can, you know, use that to get those cool dynamics if you want to. And please let me know in the comments how this helps you as well, and if you have any questions. And last but not least, I have a free singing goodie for you that you can get just by clicking the link in the description. And this is going to help you warm up and to build your mixed voice and strengthen your mixed voice, which we all want. So make sure you click the link to get that, and don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. I will see you next time. Happy singing.